here with my friend Sean O'Brien. He's the sous chef at the Blackbird here in Spokane. And we get to hang out in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank today and do some fun things with some beautiful looking greens that we have.
Absolutely.
Here. Yeah.
Greens are the name of the game today.
Okay, I like that. Have you ever been in the Second Harvest
I
kitchen
actually have not.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? So it's a teaching
just
kitchen.
Walking through here is very cool.
Yeah, teaching kitchen connected to the warehouse where they have all of the food that's distributed to food banks all throughout the region. And you teach too, right? Some
I
cooking
do.
classes?
Yes, I'm a mentor at North Central High School.
That's cool. How do they respond to
They love
cooking?
it. They're awesome, yeah.
So what are we gonna make today?
So we're gonna make a tomato salad using a ton of local greens. Kale, we have some arugula, we have some pea shoots, and we have some mosh. The greens are the focal point, but obviously the tomatoes and everything alongside with the vinaigrette and the ranch is gonna make it all come together.
So this is a 2 salad dressing salad.
It is.
I like it.
The first step for our salad is to prep our tomatoes to be cured. We slice them and toss them in canola oil with some salt and pepper.
And what we're gonna do from here is roast them. We just wanna get kind of a slight brown on them. And then once we pull them out, that's where this olive oil comes in and we cure them in the olive oil. So they basically sit there and absorb all those flavors.
Now that we've taken care of our tomatoes, we can start to make our salad dressings.
So let's start with the lemon vinaigrette.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with the lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
That can go right in there. And then we've got some Dijon mustard here. And this recipe is super, super simple. We're not doing anything crazy. It's just basically just getting these ingredients in there and making it happen. And then we've got some granulated garlic.
Okay, everyone has that and they're covered
Some granulated onion.
Onion.
A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of salt. And then what we're gonna do, so if you wanna start whisking,
Okay.
kind of incorporate that mustard in there. We're gonna work as a team here.
Okay.
And I'm gonna slowly add this oil. If you don't slowly add it, it's gonna end up breaking and you're gonna get a broken vinaigrette.
How's my whisking?
You're doing amazing.
Once our lemon vinaigrette is finished, we move on to making a ranch dressing.
We're gonna do cream cheese.
All of this?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take this ranch here. So this is gonna be that thick, fatty, creamy part to the salad, which is gonna be amazing.
Awesome.
So we've got that, and then we're gonna do garlic again, and onion again, and then some salt, and some pepper. And then this is where the mussels come in.
Yeah, let you do that. And so this is kind of adding to ranch and just making it
Exactly.
better.
Yes, yes. It's basically taking one ranch and making
another ranch.
another ranch. Yes.
Once our ranch dressing is ready and our tomatoes have been cured, it's time to put it all together. We put all of our greens in a bowl and toss them with our lemon vinaigrette.
Now here I see you have some of the cured tomatoes sitting out. So we took the roasted tomatoes. With olive
So we
oil,
took
or?
the olive oil and soaked them.
Soaked
So they can soak for days and days. It's almost
Okay.
like pickling something.
Yeah.
The more they soak, the better flavor.
I can't wait to try them.
And then we are going to
This
start
is our
plating this.
finished
So
ranch,
this is our ranch
double
dressing
ranch.
that we made. We're gonna, double ranch.
Double ranch.
So we're just gonna smack that down and kind of smear it across the board.
Fun. It's my kind of salad.
And then we'll start with our greens. So if you're doing like a dinner party or something at home, you want to make sure that they can see that there's something underneath there.
This is a substantial salad.
It's a good size.
Yeah.
Sean tops our salad with our cured tomatoes, breadcrumbs, and cheese curds.
Voila. So now we get to try.
do.
Which one should we dig into? What do you think?
Which one has more cheese on it? Let's see here. Let's both go for this one.
We'll both go for this one. I'm just gonna get a little bit of. Oh man. Oh, this is so good. This is a meal in itself for sure.
It is. Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
That was really fun.
Thank you.
To get the recipe for the Blackbird's cured tomato garden salad, head over to wagrown.com.